Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today is July 4th. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Acala, their Acala staking. It has been around 4 months. I don't know any of you still remember. I made a video. I can open that again. So I made a video here on March 2nd. So in this video, I introduce how to stake your Acala, and I make the tutorial. So now it is around 4 months, and I'm unfortunately have to say they terminate that staking. So I have to make another video and finish that tutorial. So that tutorial will just show you how to stake. This tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unstake your Acala, and of course what to do with those Acala. I'm not sure. For myself, I don't know. I probably will just keep that now in this market. If there is other opportunity, I would be happy to hear that from you guys. If you can make a comment. So if you go to the app, so this is going to show you how you can unstake your Acala and check your rewards. So go to their tab, and then you can go to the earn, and after you click the earn, you can click the collateral staking. And so from here, you are going to see the Acala staking, and there's no APR now, so you don't earn any rewards. Some of you may not be able to see this one even if you never stake that. So for those of you who watch my video and stake that, now is the time you can unstake. So just click the button, and obviously we should oh, sorry, not stake. No, don't stake that again. Let me click the button again. Click the button, and then unstake. Okay. And make sure you keep some Acala for the fee. So unstake, and then just sign. So that's the ending of this one. So this whole tutorial from staking the Acala and now unstake the Acala. So overall, I earned 2.2393 Acala. That's the interest I have earned. And I have calculated the APR is probably 6% overall, I think. Given the amount of Acala I have. So now I get I think I have claimed that. I don't have any Acala there, so it's already unstaked. So you can check your Acala. Let's see, where is my Acala? Is that in the asset? So we just unstake. So I should have more than 100 Acala. Oh yeah, it's here. It's showing up here. So more than 100 Acala. Is this a balance? Okay, yeah. So I have this Acala, and I have some Acala they are on the vesting. Well, okay, I think that's probably the one. Yeah, so originally I have only 3 or 4, and now I unstake those Acala, so I get more now, more transferable. I haven't figured out what to do with those Acala yet, so you probably can give comments if you have better way. Maybe LP staking, or maybe just keep that. I'm not sure. I was thinking staking the Acala would be the best. But since they have a good reason, Acala is not inflation, there's no inflation in Acala, so they have good reason to stop that program. But I do hope I can earn some more Acala. But anyhow, yeah, I also earn some cool NFTs. So in the future, probably we can check how to use those NFT. Okay, so I think that's all about this video. Overall, just talk about the ending of the Acala staking and also the ending of my tutorial. So it's just a series of tutorial staking the Acala and now unstake the Acala. Thanks for watching. Bye.